Welcome to apartment 201 here at the Bridges Lofts. This is one of our two-story apartments. So right when you walk in, here is the entryway. You have a large coat closet. You also have the kitchen area. The kitchen offers a full appliance package, including a dishwasher and a ice maker in the freezer. You also have a private balcony on this floor that overlooks the pool area. Through here we have the bathroom. The bathroom has a shower. And plenty of storage. Upstairs we have the bedroom area. That has a large closet, as well as a full-size washer and dryer. The second floor also offers a wonderful view of the river.